Okay, so today we are going to be planting our seeds. Okay, so the first thing I did is I had some plastic cups, and you can use these or you could use like the solo cups. So the first thing that I did is I'm going to take my scissors, and I'll show you on these ones, and I just cut a little tiny hole in a couple places to get some drainage because we don't want the water to build up inside the cups. Okay, and then I am going to be planting. I have some bean seeds, and I also have some pea seeds. So I'm going to take a look at the back, and I'm going to see, because it'll tell me about how long it will take to sprout, and also will give you some information about how far down. Okay, so for these ones, it says that it will sprout in about 5 to 10 days, and it tells me I need to put the seed down about 2.5 centimeters or about 1 inch. Okay, and then for my beans, I'll take a look, and it says that it takes about 6 to 14 days to sprout, and about the same thing. So we're going to put it down about 2.5 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to start with my pea seeds, and you see this is what they look like. Okay, so I'm going to put, and I'm going to do a whole bunch more than this, but I'm just going to show you with this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little hole with my finger, and then I'm going to push it down just a little bit, and then I'll cover it back up. Okay, and I'm going to make two the same. So same thing, I'm going to make a little hole. I'll push it in, push it down just a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it up with dirt. Okay, so I'm going to take one to work, and I'm going to keep one here at my house. Okay, and then I have my other seed, which I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it down. Okay, so I have a couple garden beds here. So I'm also going to be planting some of my seeds right here in my planters outside, because it's starting to be warm enough that we can plant outside. So the other thing is we're going to make sure that our plants have lots of water and sunlight. And because we put some drainage holes in the bottom of our cups, we want to make sure that we put a tray underneath it so that we don't get water everywhere if we have them inside the house. Okay, I hope you have a lot of fun planting your seeds, and take pictures when they start to sprout. And we're going to keep working on our plant journals so we can document what happens to them as they are growing. I can't wait to see what you've decided to plant. Okay, have fun planting.